Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of a rail match. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about a rail match and you click. In this page of app on 4 we go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.